Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to buy and sell crypto as a beginner. Have you heard about Luno Wallet? If you've not heard about Luno Wallet, do not worry, I'm going to explain Luno Wallet to you. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, this is just an educative video for those who are new to crypto and who want to invest their money in, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. If you are thinking of investing a little amount of money, as small as 5,000, 10k, doesn't matter. If you're thinking of starting little share in investing into crypto, this video is for you because I'll guide you through on how to open a Luno account and also how to buy and sell coins on Luno. Luno Wallet is a wallet approved in Nigeria for every single newbie. Like if you are new to crypto, if you don't even know how to do this peer-to-peer exchange, if you don't know how to do this extremely complicated tags which are done on Bybit, Binance, Luno breaks it down for you. Luno is just as simple as it can get. The only downside about Luno is that you cannot do complicated things, like you cannot watch the price go high and low, you can't see the charts and all that. But aside that, Luno is very simple, very easy, and I'm going to teach you how to use Luno in this video today. If you are my constant subscriber, welcome to this video. I love you and thanks for coming back. And if you are new, do not worry, stay tuned and tell me if you find this video educative. First of all, for you to create a Luno account, you will need to install the app. If you are using Android, you will have to go to Play Store and then search for Luno Wallet. The results will come up definitely, and then you click on install to install for the first time. And if you are using iOS, you go to your app store and then you will type in Luno Wallet at the search bar or just Luno. It will bring out Luno for you definitely, and then you will install it. Right now, I'm going to be opening an account for my mother. I don't want to create another account for myself. So I'm going to create an account for my mother, and then I'll use the account to teach you guys how to actually create a Luno Wallet, okay? So here we go. I'm going to be looking at my phone from time to time. So guys, just ignore it. Now that it has been installed on my phone or on my mother's phone, I'll click on open and here it is loading. Okay. After it has opened, you will see create account, you see explore app, you see sign in. So my mom doesn't have an account yet, so I'll click on create an account. And then I'm going to choose an email and a password. So I'll type that in and get back to you. So now that I've imputed my information, they are asking me if I'm a robot or not. Like a robot will definitely not say, I'm not a robot. And when just checking you're a robot, right? I'm not a robot, definitely. So I'll click on I am not a robot. But damn, the internet is so secure, depending on what you do with it. Alright, so once the latest news, promos, not now please. But if you want to join in, you can join in. So they are going to send me a verification email. I'm going to check that email. Check email app. Confirm my email. Okay, after that, you're going to choose a pin. A very strong and not so guessable pin by those around you. So I'm going to choose her pin, then she can change it when she wishes. And now we'll type in our number. But then, is it necessary though? I really don't want to do that. But let's do it, sure. Now that we've verified our number, they're asking us to do some security checks in order to, allow us to use the account freely. So I'm going to do that for my mother, but you can do it for yourself. It's very important for you to start using this Luno Wallet. It might take a couple of hours for them to answer, or they can answer very quickly. It depends. But guys, if I want to start trading, I might use my own account to teach you how to buy and sell. But I'm just teaching you how to open the account with her own, with a new account. But if you want to buy and sell, you can also, it's also the same procedure, regardless of if you are new or if you are old. After imputing your details, you will confirm that your details are correct. And you'll wait for it to be verified, definitely. So you're going to get this screenshot. Hello? Oh my God, what was this? So you're going to get this screenshot. Thanks for confirming your details. Please answer a few questions and add your proof of identity so that we know it's really you. So after you've imputed your address, that's your valid address definitely, you will be asked why you are using Luno in the first place. So there are different options. You can choose investing, that's to invest your money in on a coin so that as the coin goes up and gets more value, you will have more value in the money you've invested it in. Or you can choose crypto trading, which means when it gets to a certain level, you sell yours. When it gets to a certain level, you sell it and then you buy it at a cheaper price and then you sell it again. You understand? To get more profits than you already had, okay? Which is a very risky thing, by the way. But then most times people love to do that and it's kind of worth it. You can also choose transacting, which has to be maybe you want to send crypto to somebody in America or to somebody else's wallet. It's free and fair. It's kind of convenient for you. I don't know why I said free and fair there. So I'm going to choose investing since my mom wants to invest in crypto. Now, your employment status. We ask you, how will you fund your Luno wallet? Commonly known as source of funds. So if you are a student, you can choose allowance. If you are someone that works in the bank sector or someone that has lots of money, you can do maybe through interest or dividend, I don't know. And then if you are someone that works alone, if you have loans, or if you are thinking of investing a loan so that you will get an interest, get something big and then pay back the loan, you can choose loan. If you have if you're getting paid, if you have money from a job you're doing, you can choose employment income. If you're a pensioner, if you're receiving pension every time, you can choose pension, rental income, savings. Commonly known as source of wealth, would you also use any of the following? Your business profits, if you are getting profits from your business, or your inheritance, or your investment, or your life policies, or your cryptocurrency from another wallet, or your, oh goodness, there are just too many things to say here. So let's take your photo. Freak, she's not here. Okay, I'm going to do this when she gets back. But meanwhile, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell using my own crypto account. So for me to make this video, I will have to be off camera. The phone I'm using for this video, I also use it for my crypto and everything. So I will have to disconnect this camera and then talk with you guys off camera. I hope you guys will understand. Thank you. Hello guys, so this is Juliet off camera. I'm going to teach you how to buy and trade crypto using the Luno Wallet. So I'm going to open it and show you guys how I do it. So as you can see, when I opened the app, you saw 52,000, right? As you can see, my money increased to 53,000 naira due to the increase in coins value. I invested in Bitcoin, invested in Ethereum, in Ripple, in Solana, in Aave, in Cardano. In fact, all the coins I invested in are all listed here. So now I'm going to teach you how you can also invest in these coins. So first, you are going to go to add to list. Now, anytime you add a coin you're interested in on the list, that coin will be the first coin you see. It will be listed as soon as you open your app. So any coin you're interested in, you star it, okay? As you can see, there are stars in front of this coin. There is a star in front of Maker, but it is not highlighted because I did not invest in Maker. There's also a star in front of Curve, but it's not highlighted because I did not invest in Curve. And there is a star in front of Cardano, but it's highlighted because I invested in Cardano. Now, as you can see here, if you're interested in any of these coins, you can invest in them. But it's very, very good. It's more reasonable to invest in a strong coin that you know is constantly growing, a coin that you can trust. Okay. So now we are going to teach you. After you've selected the coin you want, that you've highlighted the ones you are interested in, you will go to wallets. Sorry, my phone is hanging a bit. I don't know why. That's how my phone is. It's kind of overheating now. So yeah, you go to wallets. Why is my phone? So you are going to go to wallets and then you click on buy. Okay, you click on buy. And then when you click on buy, you will have, what would you like to buy, please? Would you like to buy crypto or would you like to buy a bundle? If you would like to buy crypto, you will choose which of the crypto coins you want to buy according to the favorite crypto you selected. That's according to the starred crypto you collected. But then if you want to buy according to bundle, that means you can buy multiple crypto coins at once. But that might also involve spending more money, which neither of us want to do. So we are going to click on each of them and see how they work. So we'll click on crypto first. So when you click on crypto, you will see all the coins, my crypto, like all the coins I invested in. But then under it are other coins. So in case you change your mind and you want to invest in other coins, then no problem. It's good for you then. So now we are going to try, which one should we try? Let's try Ripple. Okay. So now you're seeing here, Ripple is a global payment system like Swift. While XRP is used to finance transactions on Ripple network, Ripple has been used by major banks such as Santander for international payments. Okay, got it. Oh God, they have a lot. Select. Okay, now that they've selected, you can choose how you would like to buy your Ripple. Will you love one-off, that's you pay it one time, or will you love repeat buy? That means you are going to pay it, multiple. That means you're going to buy it multiple times, which is maybe monthly, weekly. Yeah, so I'm going to choose once off. That's I want to pay once. As you can see, I'm broke. I don't have any money in my wallet. But then you can either fund your wallet through okay, let's just go there. So as you can see, I'm broke. I don't have any wallet. I don't have money. So now you can either buy Ripple using the amount of Bitcoin you have, or using the amount of Ethereum you have, or using the amount of Solana you have, or you can just buy it using your wallet. So now let me decide that okay, I want to fund my wallet. So now they'll tell me to add money. I'll say yeah, sure, I want to add money. Now you're going to click on either using bank transfer or using a voucher. Now I will rather use bank transfer because I still don't know how Nigeria is reacting to selling and buying of crypto, and I know most banks don't approve buying of crypto. So I don't want to risk it and redeem a voucher. I think I might want to use bank transfer. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but you have to be very careful when you're writing your reference, or when you're writing what you're using your payment for. Do not write the name of the crypto you are buying. Do not write Dogecoin. Do not write any suspicious name like Catizin or even cat or dogs. Don't write them. Just write maybe salary. Just write something that is not so crypto worthy name, or just write for family or something. Just don't write something suspicious, okay? So I will click on bank transfer, and then they will ask me to write the amount of money I would like to deposit. Right now I don't have any money, but I'm not even going to deposit anything. I'm just using it as an experiment so that I'll teach you guys. So let's just say I want to deposit 5,000, which I don't want to anyway. And then you click on next. Okay, so now they said for your deposit to be successful, you need to use your personal bank account. You need to make sure the name of the bank account holder matches the name you signed up with at Luno. You need to deposit the exact same amount you entered, and you need to make the deposit within 1 hour of receiving your once-off beneficiary details. So got it. You'll continue, and as you can see, the 200 naira charge. But don't worry, you will still get your complete money regardless. That means they will still send you the entire 5,000. And now you are going to use this reference code. So where you have reference in your transaction spots, that's when you are making the transaction through any bank app. If they ask you to write a reference code, you can copy this and paste it there so that Luno can easily identify your transaction. Then you are going to transfer the money to Wema Bank account number this, and then amount 5,000. You will deposit it to this account here, and after that you click on I've made my deposit. Luno will automatically indicate that oh yes, you made this transaction. I'm not doing any of that. I don't have money. Now let's go to the second way you can do it, which is through voucher. So let's go back to Ripple. Hi Ripple baby. Ah, mine. Okay. Oh god, how have I forgotten how to use this one? So let's go back to Ripple. Now we are going to click on buy and redeem a voucher. Now for you to buy and redeem a voucher, you have to first create a voucher. Now the voucher is done in such a way that they will give you a code. It's like this gift card where you already have money in it. So anytime you need the money, you will input the code. That's the voucher code, and then they will automatically fund your wallet with the money inside a voucher. If you guys know what a voucher is, you know that it's like this gift card. It's like this beautiful gift, this card you have to store some amount of money until when you need them. Okay, so you click on create a voucher, and then you will press that says you type the amount of money you want. Let's say 10,000. And then you are going to be charged 196 naira for a voucher. Now as you can see, it's more expensive than a normal bank transfer. Then you click on pay for my voucher, and then they will redirect you to your bank app. See what I'm saying? Okay, I'm done. Don't be afraid. So now those are the two ways you can deposit money in your wallet. Now let's see how we can sell. If you would like to sell your coins, let's say Bitcoin is having a very, very high value and you're scared that it will fall down and then your money will reduce from 55,000 to maybe 30,000. You don't want it to happen. So you can just look at the coin that keeps depreciating a lot and you can just sell it so that you won't lose a lot. Then you will click on maybe Bitcoin. I'm not selling it by the way, but let's assume I'm selling. You will click on Bitcoin and then you click on sell. Then you can sell it and get more Ethereum. You can sell it and get more Ripple and get more Solana, or you can just convert it to normal Naira and send it back to your bank account. So let's just assume I want to convert it to my normal Naira. And then I'm going to click on type in the amount of Bitcoin I want to sell. So let's say max. That would be 9,000. I'll be funded with 9,000. Then I'll click on next. Oh, I don't want to do it, guys. I'm scared. I'm not selling my Bitcoin. Well, you guys know the drill. By the time you are done, you will get your Bitcoin back. So what else do we have in this app? So in Luno, you also have lots of benefits in Luno. You also have lots of benefits in Luno. You can also refer. You can participate in the rewards level. I don't know what that is, but I don't even take it seriously. And you can also participate in the price prediction. So if you've been watching the market lately, if you've been seeing the way the price keeps going high and low, understand it's kind of getting unpredictable these days. But if you're very good at guessing, at predicting, you can participate in their monthly prediction challenge. And yeah, you have a chance to win $1,250 or $5,000. Either one. So yeah, that's just how Luno works. So that's how Luno operates. If you're a beginner and you find this simple, you find this fascinating, you find this, oh my god, this is the way I want to save, this is the way I want to invest for long-term purpose, then no problem. You can go ahead and use the link in my description and sign up to Luno and then tell me your experience, tell me how it feels for you. Guys, I hope you found this video educative. I try as much as possible to make my videos as educative as possible. I do not want you guys to feel you're wasting time. So more crypto news, more crypto, more help, more crypto, more videos will come up where you are going to really learn a lot, definitely. And yeah, I've told you guys, though we're going to talk about some airdrops, we do not focus mostly on airdrops. We try to learn, we try to grow, we try to improve our knowledge on the crypto space, because crypto is very big. Like, there are lots of things you can do in crypto. So why just focus on one? You need profit, right? Then you have to expand your knowledge, okay? So yeah, guys, subscribe to my channel if you have not. I always forget to say to my videos, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you do not mind, wish me congratulations on my convocation. I really appreciate that a lot. So yeah, bye and see you soon.